Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the irregular verb take, together with another verb that follows a very similar pattern, shake. You'll learn what they mean, how to use them naturally, and some common expressions you'll hear in everyday English. Let's get started. Take, took, taken. Shake, shook, shaken. Can you see the pattern? Both verbs change their vowel in the past simple and end in aken in the past participle. Take means to carry, move, receive, or use something. I always take an umbrella in case it rains. She took the train to work yesterday. I've taken this medicine for 3 days. Shake means to move something quickly backwards and forwards. He always shakes hands when he meets someone. She shook the bottle before opening it. I should have shaken the protein shake so it mixed properly. A protein shake is a drink made with protein powder, usually mixed with water or milk. Many people drink protein shakes after exercising to help build and repair muscles. My legs were shaking with fear. I was shaking like a leaf. Take off means to remove something, especially clothes, or for a plane to leave the ground. Example: the plane took off on time. Please take off your shoes before coming in. Shake hands means to greet someone or show respect by holding and shaking their hand. In many countries, it's common to shake hands when meeting someone, saying goodbye, or celebrating a business agreement. Example: they shook hands after signing the contract. Before we finish, here's a fun fact. One of the most famous movie quotes in English is James Bond's "shaken, not stirred." Now you know exactly what shaken means. James Bond orders his martini this way, asking for it to be shaken in a cocktail shaker instead of stirred with a spoon. Great job! You've just learned another easy irregular verb pattern. Keep practicing these verbs together, and they'll become much easier to remember. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.